Hello guys, welcome back to Tanuza sCraftbox. As you have already seen the title, I am going to make a DIY cycle today. But before starting the video, guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notifications. Let's start. First of all, here I have taken a piece of newspaper and rolling it to look like a stick. Then secure the end using white glue. In the same way, I have made a few of them. Now take a mug or anything which has a wide opening. Using newspaper, make some circles and attach it with white glue in such a way that it will have wide borderline. So please watch it carefully and do not skip the video so that you can make it properly. Process, make two of them which will act as the wheels of the cycle. Now make two another small circles for the two large circles of the cycle. Take a long paper roll, cut them into small pieces like this. Now I am placing the small circle inside the large one and sticking the small paper rolled pieces to them. Using the same method, make two of them and your two wheels of the cycle are ready. Everything I am using here are from the rolled newspapers which I have made earlier. But one fact is that if you use hot glue, it will take lesser time to make than the white glue. Guys, trust me, it's going to come out really beautiful, but only if you follow the procedure properly. So don't skip the video. And yes, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing. To make these baskets, I have used drawing sheets, but you may replace it with chart paper or cardstocks as well. The cycle is ready, but it is not looking that good, right? So to make it look more attractive and beautiful, I am coloring it using acrylic. I am going to keep it like pink and black combination because the combo look really attractive while complementing to each other. For the base, take two strips of cardboard, attach them using glue. It will look something like this. Then cover it using newspaper. And color it using burnt brown acrylic color. Then attach the cycle to the cardboard base using white glue. Here I have made few flowers out of paper to decorate my cycle, but it's completely optional. Okay guys, I'm done here. If you really like today's video, then turn the black thumb into blue. Comment down below what you like about it. Share and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye.